Okay, let's talk generative AI. And don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds.
Imagine having a friend who knows everything about your business and can generate ideas on demand. That friendship would come in pretty handy, right?
Generative AI is like that friend. It's always ready to help whether you're trying to draft a marketing email, design a logo, or brainstorm content ideas.
AI chatbots are a prime example. They're always ready to assist, never get tired, and have an encyclopedia for a brain. Although many types of AI existed long before ChatGPT, its release in November 2022 put generative AI on the map. Suddenly, it was far more accessible and free to use.
Now, let's get a bit nerdy. Generative AI is trained by consuming tons of data. Think of it as the AI version of binge reading. Generative AI sees patterns in large data sets and creates unique content by mixing data together and making good guesses.
So how do you get this AI to work for you? Imagine you're a movie director and the AI is your actor. You need to give clear instructions called prompts to get the performance you want. We'll dig into prompting in another lesson.
With generative AI, you can write prompts that create text, images, music, and other media.
Obviously, this can really help your small business. And if you're just getting started, it's easier than ever to get your business online.
If you don't have the time or the inclination to learn separate AI tools, we have a new offering called GoDaddy Airo, where we've already selected everything you'll need as a small business owner to create your online presence using Gen AI, simplifying and speeding up the process of using AI by responding to some questions within GoDaddy Airo itself.
And this list is truly endless. But before we go down that rabbit hole, let's head into our next lesson on everyday use cases for generative AI.